Singapore, a country that enhances your senses, is full of sights that mesmerize, tastes that enrich, sounds that energize, aromas that beckon, and experiences that ignite the soul.
Whatever passion tribe you belong to, be it an explorer or a foodie, a collector or an action seeker, a culture shaper or just a socializer,
Here's what you can check out in Singapore with SOTC. I am on top of the Marina Bay Sands with a bird's eye view of the city skyline. Enjoy the view at the infinity pool. Create a unique memory with the Sampan ride at Marina Bay Sands. Illuminate your senses at the digital light canvas. Treat yourself to a spectacular view across the bay from the Singapore Flyer, Asia's largest giant observation whale. Singapore always has interesting and new experiences to try. With the floating donut, you can now cruise on Marina Bay while savoring food and enjoying the panoramic views. Welcome to Gardens by the Bay. There's great architecture, but also lush greenery for explorers. As a city, Singapore offers so much for nature lovers. It's truly a city in a garden. Get lost in the world of floral fantasy, where flowers, artistry, and technology come together to create a dream-like experience. Singapore Zoo's world-famous open concept offers the opportunity to experience and get up close with wildlife. Come, take a walk and hear the whispers of the rainforest and see how the virtual animals come alive. Experience Asia's largest bird paradise, Jurong Bird Park, home to over 5,000 birds across 400 species. Singapore is also home to spectacular indoor waterfalls, such as Rain Vortex at Jewel Changi. Standing at 40 meters high, it's the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Right next to the world-class Changi Airport, Jewel is a lifestyle destination, mixing together retail, dining, shopping, and attractions. Come and experience Southeast Asia's first and only Universal Studios theme park. It's fun for families and thrill seekers, featuring various rides, shows, attractions across many theme zones. If you're an adventurous water lover, then the Adventure Cove Water Park is a must visit. It's the only water park in Southeast Asia that's integrated with marine life. Discover the wonders of the ocean at the SEA Aquarium. View over 100,000 marine animals, and it's an experience that you will surely never forget. Enjoy the rustic charm of the Singaporean River Cruise. It's the finest way to explore the city's many iconic landmarks. Singaporeans are obsessed with food, and at Hawker Chan, the foodie culture is well and alive here. It's easy to get delicious Indian food in Singapore. Right now, I'm at Riverwalk Tandoor, which is close to the popular Clarke Quay, and I can't wait to savor the food here. Singapore chefs are known for being passionate about telling stories about their heritage through food. And one such place is Violettoon Satay Bar and Grill. The famous Tiong Bahru Bakery has earned praise for its high-quality croissants. Chinatown Food Street is one of the best places to enjoy tasty, authentic local cuisines. For the foodie in you, there's nothing like the popular Satay by the Bay, offering you some of the best Asian cuisines. The iconic Singaporean ice cream sandwich is something different that you may not find in your own country. A must-try when you're in Singapore. If you're looking to get your culture and art fix in Singapore and check out some cool street art, take a walk down Tiong Bahru neighborhood. Passion tours like the Trails of Tanah Huat retrace the steps of early migrants who came here seeking a better life. Housed between the old City Hall and the old Supreme Court building, National Gallery Singapore is home to over 8,000 artworks. If you're looking at a different type of shopping experience, head to Haji Lane. where there are lots of old shop houses to marvel at, selling fabrics and souvenirs, and it's a great place to experience a bit of old Singapore. Explore Singapore's history with interactive exhibits and immersive experiences at the Chinatown Heritage Centre. Design Orchard, a retail and incubation space located along Orchard Road, is Singapore's premium lifestyle destination. If you're seeking adventure, imagine a world where the rules of gravity don't apply at all and get immersed in an atmosphere of adventure and fun. Come, unleash your free spirit. Trick and be tricked. The Trick Eye Museum will be the most mind-boggling place you would visit on your Singapore trip. Challenge yourself to take the most creative optical illusion photos and videos. Ever wondered what it is like to skydive without jumping off a plane? Skydive at iFly Singapore. It is one of the world's largest indoor skydiving wind tunnel facilities. At Madame Tussauds Singapore, it's not just about wax statues. It's all about various experiences that you can enjoy. Come, awaken your senses. Singapore's calling. SOTC. We are for holidays.